So any website to select particular product, how do we can generating traffic using PPT by PDF submission. So first of all, based on requirement, you can prepare the PPT option. The PPT will be designed by as your based on your options. These are your services. And so I'm selecting for one services, web design development services in with the best price in Kondapur. So I'm selecting PPT. These are the website slides are we can using by PowerShow and eDoc or .com. So in this one, everything you can log in access is a motion should important. Select your login and password. Click for sign in. Per day select by the two article different keywords or one keyword different places to submit your article. Select by total 10 websites to submit by the two keywords. Each day you can submit by the 20 articles. In this, you can call upload, PPT, PPTX, PDF or videos. Supporting total 4 options: PPT, PPTX, PDF and videos. Videos also will be promoted. Select. In this, select your PDF format. Copy. Your only drawback is called they're not accepting your title and description, that is writing for your own way. Add your category. Business or any kind of services will be there. No, only for business and finance. Most of the important article depend on the tags. Add your tag here. Comma. Website design. Web development. Suppose user can download your option. Then give by enable and not give option for download, only for view purpose. Select it. Now click for publish. So publishing will be started. What is the article you are posting? We can check for analytics also. How many people watching my article? Daily 2 article mandates from each and every website to increase your more traffic. This will be 3 type of traffic will be generating. One is referral, second will be direct, third will be organic. Organic nothing but search by your company name. So you can see this one. Article will check by here. Or else. Here is option is called, you can check in this. What is called? Video in this presentation where inside into YouTube also. Now click for view. Apply the in your option. So this will be one by one option. This they loading your page. Is it clear? In the slideshow.com, what are the PPT you're preparing? You can now upload by where? YouTube also. Then automatically upload by the where? YouTube also. So in this, you can using by option by here. See this. You can play your every option. So this will be your publish your article. So the slideshare.com will be supported by the videos. So in this video file, select your, there is only for MP4 format. There is only for MP4 format. I'm selecting one video here, MP4 format, web design development companies in Hyderabad. upload here. So this will be upload limit only for 100. So this will be using by option. So this will be pro option, not in a free. This will be total pro option, not in a free option. So this will be, so only article will be free, video will be pro option. Next one, powershow.com. In this, everything login your account. Every sign up, we need to your email your verification is mandatory. Every sign up, the email verification is a mandatory. After you can upload your file, upload your file, publish will be not showing. That is called email is not verified. Some website not required for email verification. Upload. Choose your file. Search your presentation. So what are they showing for PowerShow? They're not supporting for the PDF format. Public purpose. How many keywords you can add for? Total 50 keyword. This PowerShow we can most using by the PowerPoint. PDF is not required. We can use only for PowerPoint presentation. Design. Search your category. First of all, you can select it all product and services. Select your website URL. So it's give your website URL also. I agree. Click for upload. Each article will be different pattern will be there. This will be here. Click for upload. This is all nothing but you can increase your traffic on your website using by the article using PPT by PDF. Next one, same like e.or.com. Simple. You can click for upload. But when you submit article will be different options will be there. Some will be using for options in your here. See this, upload your file, enter the URL. Two option. Article will be two option. Enter the URL and upload. Enter URL nothing but you can add your website, document name, now click for publish. The link is accepted. Is a promote your article by the through link. So this is called article will be different type of articles are. But submission will be same, PPT or PDF. You can see showing total your website as a article. So showing total your website as your article. Next one, upload. Upload your file. So in this, select by any format. Copy. Upload your article name. Done. Now click for publish. Here no option for tags. Here no option for your tag. what is your article name? The title will be your post your content. This will be generate your keyword and ranking on the Google search engine list to generating for referral traffic, direct traffic, and organic traffic. PPT by PDF will be three type of traffic: referral, direct, and organic traffic. So it's going to upload here. Same like you can mention by so many websites are there. SlideServe, PowerShow, eDoc or document, SlideShare.net, AuthorStream, Issue, Box.com, Postshare.com, Mediafire, SlideBoom.com, and FileFactory.com, Upload.ee, ge.tt. These are the total uploading files on the PPT by PDF presentations. So these are all generating for totally three type of traffic on particular website. So generating more traffic.